John Deere 165 Hydro. Just bought used and bought a project. Had to replace carburetor, which I took of a 160. Now it will not even turn over, not even a click. Battery is charged and cables have been cleaned. Put an ignition switch that I know worked. I have an old 160 that I am saving for parts. Both have a Kawasaki FB460V.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. The starter will have the battery cable terminal and a small terminal with single wire. This is the switch wire from the key switch. Jump from the battery cable terminal to the small start terminal. Engine should spin if battery, cables and starter are good. Do you have a test light or voltmeter to check the small terminal to see if the key switch is sending voltage to the small terminal on the starter? If it is, the starter solenoid or starter could be bad.
Have a battery tester, no voltmeter.
Can you jump the starter as suggested?
We'll try this, will take several minutes.
Okay. Full-size image. Here is wiring schematic. Mower has a low fuel sensor that can keep starter from working.
Tested from battery cable at solenoid and no light.
Did you try jumping the battery terminal to the switch terminal?
Starter or solenoid? No terminals on starter.
Solenoid not on starter? Solenoid should be on starter, and have battery cable on the solenoid, and there should be a single sire on a small terminal. This would be switch wire. Touch battery cable to switch terminal with jumper wire.
Not that I can see. I am not very mechanically inclined. Battery cable goes to solenoid.
Okay, does solenoid have another cable that goes to the starter?
Has battery cable and small red wire connected to same terminal. Also a purple wire not on terminal.
Looking at wiring schematic, the purple wire is the switch wire. Should be on small single terminal on starter. Comes from the key switch.
Do not see any wires to starter. Purple wire has connector that connects on solenoid above battery cable terminal.
It has to be on switch terminal. Does not go on the same post as battery cable.
It is not.
Is the purple wire attached?
Yes.
Take jumper and touch battery cable terminal to the purple wire connection. See if you get starter action.
No. Could battery cable be bad? Used battery tester on battery and was good when I tried from solenoid not.
No action would mean battery, cables or starter is faulty. Did you see the wiring schematic I sent?
I can change cables but will take a while. Saw schematic, hard to see, was a bit small. Hard to read and maybe Greek to me. Going to change cable now.
Click on schematic and it will expand.
Turns over now but does not start.
Pull spark plug and ground it, then turn engine to see if you have spark. With plug out, check compression. If you have gauge, great. If not, hold finger over the hole and see if it has good pressure. If it has spark and compression, put teaspoon of fuel into the spark plug hole, reinstall the spark plug and see if it will run for few seconds. We can go from here.
When to get carb cleaner sprayed and carb started but stalls out. Gonna take bowl off and spray. Not sure how long mower sat. Was low on fuel. Maybe sediment in carb.
Yes, problem will be in carb.
Yes, there was sediment in bowl. Took a while to get carb cleaned out. Starts well now. Pulsates a bit when I lower the throttle. I hesitate to try to adjust anything. Nothing worse than someone who thinks they know what they are doing.
Good job. Best to run it for a while before doing adjusting. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.